Ching. Marcus Body Coding Live, new footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do, no excuses. Are you ready? Let's go. Watch for yourself first. Heel 6. This is the move. Watch for yourself. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. Remember, no excuses. So let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Yeah, let's do it. With you, we can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. We start with the left. We tap, we step, heel, step, step. Now with the right. We tap, we step, heel, step to the back, and step. Once again, with the left, slow, tap, and step, heel, now on the balls of the feet, and step. Now with the right, tap, step, heel, on the balls of the feet, and step. Once again, now with a count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Amazing. This is the move. Heel 3. Remember, these are universal moves. We code them. Marcus Body Coding. We code the universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, hip hop, whatever style that you want. Footwork, we all have just 2 legs. Well, wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now, face to face. I want to see you. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Are you ready? Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. We'll do it again. We'll start with the left. Heel 6, are you ready? Let's go. With the left. Tap, step. Do with the heel, step to the back, and step in place. Now with the right. Tap, step, heel, step to the back, step in place. Again. Tap, step, heel, step. Tap, step, heel, step. Now, let's get a little bit deep, small tip with the hands. We can trace the leg with the hand, with the taps. Bam, bam, bam. Let's do it together. Let's go. 1, 2, step. 5, 6, 7. Now trace it with the hand. Bam, bam, bam. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing! Yes, this is the move! This is the move. And you know what? I have a sense that you're the serious student. So if you are, you can check the link to the full tutorial. You can practice with me in the studio for free. Wait, how do you do that? You can check the link above, below, to the sides, or if you're in Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, heel 6. This is the name of the move, yes. And I remind you again, these are universal moves, so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. By the way, the fact that you can start with the right or with the left, you can do it with the women's steps and the men's steps, because you can start with the right or with the left. Everything is symmetrical. Amazing or not amazing? And most importantly, practice this one today. Yes, do this move today. Why today? Good question. Because tomorrow you have a new video. New footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So make sure to do it today, so you'll be ready for tomorrow's new footwork. New footwork every day. So let's see you tomorrow with a new footwork.